What is the weather doing on us today? Let's have a look. Oh, not so bad at all. Why don't we put some heat in the Lamborghini and head downtown? I got a couple of errands to do. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. By the way, my name is Damon Fryer. Smash that subscribe button while we're here. And if you have headphones on, I warn you now. Quick stop at Graphic Effects here. They're doing a couple projects actually. How you doing?
Do a full wrap on it. It's going matte black.
It's going matte.
Matte black, yeah. This side's still gloss, but if you go around the other side, you'll see some panels he's already done
it's already started.
Yeah.
Dude, these things, I don't know if you guys know this, but these cars are worth like a ton of money. Now they're not, it's like the high end of luxury without all the flash, right? It's got all the luxury creature comforts, but it's not the flashiest looking car, especially when it's missing a bumper.
Rip them right down. We don't do that here. We have our friends at either the body shop or in this case, our friends over at KZ Auto, they dismantled it.
S63. Oh, there we go. Oh, this thing's gonna look mean. All the carbon in there. So when are you gonna have this project done?
Well, we'll see. Hopefully by end of the week.
So that project that we stopped in here before with the GT3 RS getting the martini wrap, they finished it. I haven't been feeling that good. I couldn't get down here this morning and the car went out and it went to Porsche.
You bet.
But it's in the service center.
Can you get in there?
They'll never let you film it.
That's too bad.
I stopped by, I didn't film it, but I stopped by and was like, hey guys, is the GT3 RS here? I was thinking like outside or maybe, you know, they were, but no, it's in the service center and I already know. The answer is no. So now look at the motor on this. Jeez, this thing is a beast. Wow. So people who think there's a lot to this, it's like a card and then a little bit of heat, right? And the rest is just magic in the fingertips.
Magic, yeah.
Magic in the fingertips.
You know, arguably between, you know, could be 30 plus man hours that goes into doing this.
I'll wrap your car for $1,000. Then you'll be begging for these guys to do it. That interior is crazy.
Oh, it's phenomenal. Check out the dash.
These are vents that blow either warm or cold air down your neck.
Unreal.
Yeah. Just stop by. I'm gonna send you that photo for the back wall.
Yeah, sounds great.
I thought I had it on my phone and I don't.
I'll just send it off to me and we'll get it taken care of.
I'll email it to you. Well, this is cool. Well, end of the week we'll come back and we'll check this thing out when it's like completely done. So we've got our projects all aligned. That S63 is quite the car, isn't it? I'm in need of a haircut. Look at this. Look at this. I look awful. I got to run over to my barber shop right now and get that done. Lucky for me, I've got a wife because she schedules all this stuff for me or else I'd forget about it and I'd look homeless within about a week. Well guys, haircut, cleaned up the sides, nothing too fancy. I'm gonna head over and check out my friend's shop, Silver Arrow. They have a lot of the exotic cars here in Victoria. We don't have any of the dealerships on the island other than Audi's, but those guys always have a lot of cool cars as far as they're a sales shop, they're boutique, they have a lot of rare collectibles. So let's swing by and surprise them and say hi, see what they got in store for us. What's up you guys? Here at Silver Arrow, check this thing out. Shelby. Supercharged, 750 horsepower. Full carbon hood. So this is the real deal. This is like the Shelby continuation. brand new. That's nuts. Crazy. Joel was saying they put 66,000 USD into this car after they pick up the car, they ship it right to Las Vegas they send it, Joel? Yeah. They send to Las Vegas, brand new, and it gets like new body panels, completely stripped down, rebuilt. This is the real deal from Shelby. I stopped by here to talk to the boys about doing a giveaway because we're doing DD Elite, which is our membership site. I was shopping around for a potential giveaway car for you guys. So if people sign up to the membership site, you will be entered in automatically to get our giveaway car. What will it be? I'm not sure yet. $599. I can tell you it won't be a $599, just so you know. You got a Targa, R8, GTS, Panamera. Give me the keys maybe when the weather's a little bit better to the Panamera G. That's it. Yeah, we'll do the old Civic. You guys want to see me drive the old Civic? Okay guys, we're out of here. I'm just grabbing a couple of things here quickly. Scud's still sitting here. Decided not to insure it for maybe the next little while. So unfortunately not going to see a ton of it in videos, but it'll get back on the streets, definitely for spring, summer. We gotta do something with this. Ollie did that one little burnout in here with it. What an amazing machine. We're definitely looking to hype up the channel a little bit and do some super bike stuff as well. Just down here, the DD tricolor tees and the cement gray ones. Limited edition Nardo gray hoodie over black. And we also do a heathered gray hoodie with black logos and a trucker hat right now that's blacked murdered out. Guys, I got what I needed here. That's it for a wrap. We're gonna do some more crazy stunts pretty soon, and I think I have enough tires to perform those. What do you guys think? And stockpiling old tires for an epic burnout video, and Ollie brought in some cookers for the Aprilia. So stay tuned for all of that. I promise you, we have some nuts, very original content in the works. It just takes planning, time, preparation, and more importantly, a proper location. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be the end of it for me today. I need to go and nurse this flu, cold, whatever I've got, so I can get better, have higher energy levels. Let me know again in the comments what you guys think maybe I should do for a wrap color. Also, let me know what you guys think about the car giveaway, because Silver Arrow and I are looking at working together to find us the perfect car to give you guys for the people who sign up to the DDE Elite membership site. I've been tripping over my words all day, just super tired. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button, throw me a thumbs up. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.